Good morning, dear students. Today we will learn about adaptation for desert and mountain. Adaptation for desert. Desert plant and animals show physiological and behavior adaptation. Physiological adaptation means animals make venom and maintain body temperature. For desert, they have to maintain the body temperature. Behavior adaptation means animals taking a certain postures and being active at night. Most of the animals in deserts are active at night. Plants live for desert. First, plants that live in hot and dry climate of deserts are known as xerophyte. Xerophyte because they need little water to survive. Second, the soil of desert is sandy in nature and cannot hold water. So, xerophyte plants have long root that makes a hole in deep into the soil in search of water. Main plants that are found in desert are babool, kikar and cactus. Now we learn adaptation in cactus. Stem of cactus is fleshy and swollen to store food. Swollen means thicker or wider, सूजा हुआ और फूला हुआ. Cactus की जो stem होती है वो फूली हुई होती है to store water. Stem is green to store food for the plant. Stem also store food for the plant. That is why the stem is in green in color. The process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis means preparation of food by the leaves for plant take place in the leaves of cactus. Leaves of cactus are modified into spines. Modified means change into spines. Spines means कांटे. Leaves जो होती है cactus की वो कांटों में change हो जाती है to reduce the loss of water by evaporation and transpiration and prevent the predator for feeding upon them, and they also provide protection to the plant from grazing animals. Animals' life. Animals living in the desert have adapted themselves according to the place where they live. Animals like snake, camels, rats living in the desert. These animals have fever pores. Fever means a small number of and thick skin. These animals have to store water in their body. That is why they secrete less urine and minimal amount of sweat. Adaptation in camel. Camel adapt himself to live in desert. Camels have long eyelashes and hair which protects eyes and ears from sand. Long legs that help them to stay away from the heat of the sand. They have broad feet which help them in walking on the sand. Hump of camel store fat. Hump means कुबर. कैमल का जो कुबर होता है उसमें फैट स्टोर रहता है which he use in the form of food. Camel used to keep their nostril closed in order to keep out of sand. When the sandstorm is there, camel close its nostril. Camel having one special ability that it drinks a large amount of water at a time, and he can live without drinking water for a month. Camel loses very less amount of water in the form of urine. Adaptation for mountains. Plant life. There are plenty of forests found in the mountains near the foothills. Plants grow near the land to avoid being uprooted by the harsh and strong wind. Pine and fir trees are the best example. Conifer trees found on the top of the mountain have better ability to survive in the cold weather. That is why they have sloping branches of conical shaped to allow the snow to slide down easily. Leaves of these plants are smaller and needle shaped to prevent loss of water. Trees are tall to trap sunlight as most of the mountains are covered with snow. So the trees are tall. Some plants also grow under the layer of the snow. Animals' life. Most of the animals are found in the mountains. Goats, leopard, sheep, polar bear. Mostly they have white fur to matches to the surrounding. It is very difficult for us to spot them. Animals are sure-footed. Sure-footed means unlikely to fall when walking on uneven, rough ground. Means they have confidence in them that they can easily walk on rough surface of mountains. Now we learn how mountain goats adapt itself to live in the mountains. Goat is covered with thick white fur that keeps its body warm. Mountain goats have long, thick fur, white fur that keeps its body warm. They have strong hooves that help them to walk on cliff and uneven slopes of mountains. They can jump very far to prevent from the predators. Mountain goats hibernate themselves to save their energy in the winter season. Thank you, students. That is all for today.